Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. I want to show you my BISSELL Spinwave. So to use it, it's so easy. You just hit the power button, and here is the button to spray your floor cleanser on. All you do is push the power button, and it kind of just, you don't even have to push it back and forth. It's almost like it's self-propelled. It goes for you. You just kind of guide it in the direction that you want it, and that's it. This part here is the buffer part. Look how easy it is to take these on and off and to place them back on. That's it. You don't have to try to fit it over anything. You can take them off to wash them. It's simple. I have a lot of little feet in my family, and the floors get dirty so quickly. But because I have this, it has made it so easy to pull it out of the pantry and be able to take care of any little messes that are left behind. Senior pet? Anybody? I have one. And wow, do I use this on a daily basis. You don't have to get out a mop and bucket, and that's what I love about it. It has a buffer on the bottom, so your floors are being buffed. I really enjoy having a BISSELL Spinwave. I think you will too, and that's my point of view.